Right, live. This is the Mkumbura River that crosses into Mozambique.
Nasi mnataitumira pa Facebook. Mnataitumira ta.
Yeah. Tatopinda pa border post. Tapinda into another country. This is now Mozambique. This is Mkumbura River. So we are now going to Mozambique. We've just crossed the border. No passports. I just used my ID. And we are getting there. We are now going to have some drinks in Mozambique. I'm right at the border, Mkumbura border post. I don't know when I last crossed this river. A couple of years back. When Mugabe was president, it was difficult. Now Mugabe is gone. I'm crossing into Mozambique. No passport. Elliot Pfebve reporting. Yeah. I'll give you further information when I'm in deep down in Mozambique, so you can see the terrain and the difference in development. Stay tuned.